Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we got this cool amazing product right here, which is an iPhone accessory. But first thing first, let me actually unbox it to show you guys what it is first before we test it out and whatnot. So when you first open the package, this is what you get inside. You guys can see there's a cable to power up the device, and this is a USB to USB-C cable. They provide you some other accessories like the little mount thingy for the actual product itself, if you guys can see right here. Here's the instruction guide and manual and a quality control paper right here. So basically what it is, I'm not sure you guys can see or not, it is a semiconductor radiator. And basically what it is an iPhone cooler. So if your phone heats up a lot and you guys wondering how to cool it down, this would be a cool option or cool product to use to cool it down. So basically when you first get the product, all you have to do is apply this part onto your phone. You guys can actually apply it onto your case as well. There's a little fan inside to kind of like turn on and everything to activate it. But here is a little button where you guys will activate the product, and here is the USB-C slot where you actually plug it in to actually activate the product. So that's pretty much everything that's on this product. The only way for us to actually find out when it actually works and whatnot is to actually test it out. So let's go test it out and come back and talk about the product. Alright, so here we have the phone cooler, you guys can see right here. The fan is right here, as you can see. Like I mentioned earlier, there's the power button here, and this is the slot where you guys can plug in the USB-C cable that they provide you right here. So I have it all plugged in right now, and I'm just gonna put this onto here. So basically how it works is that once you put this part onto like the phone, like right here, so just apply it on like that, anywhere you guys want. The suction cup would be holding pretty tight onto your either your case or your phone. You guys can use it with your case depending on the material that you guys are using. But basically all you have to do is press the button on the side right here, and it should turn on the fan right here. So basically what's happening right now is the fan is on in all different directions, blowing the blue part of the back of this part right here. And then within like 10 seconds or so, this back part you guys can start feeling that it gets really cool. So this actually works really well. Like right now I can feel it already. It's like ice cold already almost. But just to let you guys hear what the fan sounds like, this is what it sounds like. So it's quite quiet, you guys can hear it. From really close up, you guys can kind of hear that it's kind of loud-ish, but then when you guys actually hear from far away, it's actually not that loud. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you saw the test of the product, you guys can see that actually does work. It's hard for you guys to tell when it actually cools down or not, but I can tell you guys from first hand, the product actually cools down within like less than 10 or 20 seconds. But now that we saw a test of the product and how to activate it and how to use the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it. So this product in particular costs around $35. And for that price range, I have to say that it's actually quite expensive for something like this. Wish they made it a little bit cheaper so it's more affordable, because I feel like $35 is a little bit too much. But I can totally see like kind of the build quality and everything that's on here of the reason why they would charge so much for this product. Like you're getting like the instant cooling within like less than 20 seconds on this product. It's such a simple design that you guys can actually use this for basically anything, like your iPhone, Samsung phone, Google Pixel, your iPads, whatever the case may be, your tablets. You guys can use it for any of those. Mainly I would say that people who are living somewhere where it's like really hot, or if you guys use your phone a lot to the point where it actually overheats and whatnot, then you guys would need to have one of these. So pretty much long story short, yes, it is worth it. You guys actually need one of these, but I do wish that it's actually a little bit cheaper so it's more affordable for everyone else. But like how I say in all my videos, if you guys don't need this or don't want this or have no use for this, then obviously don't buy it and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification on the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have